Now, the third type of school out there is a dental hygienist school, and this is one where you can save some serious money because they have to practice on real world patients. I don't know if you've ever seen a picture of how these stations are set up at these schools, but they have mannequins that they're working on and they're very sophisticated. But they obviously have to work on actual people to get used to interacting with people and probably need to learn how to talk to people while they are doing their procedures. Now, this could be another great way to dramatically reduce your costs, especially if your insurance coverage on your dental work isn't as generous as it could be. But I bring that up because most of these schools will actually take your insurance as well. So if you have good dental insurance coverage, this could just reduce the amount of money that you have to pay out of pocket. So if you do go to one of these providers, make sure you bring your insurance card so that they can check and see if you're in network and if your work is covered. Now, they also typically charge a reduced rate. For example, the School of Dentistry usually charge about 30% less for teeth cleaning and other types of services. If you had insurance and that paid for part of it, and you were usually out of pocket $250 per year, this could mean that you'd only be out of pocket $150 to $175 per year. That's a pretty nice savings that can hit you right in the wallet. And again, you're getting a similar service than you would at your local dentist. And for somebody that spends a lot of money on dental work per year, this could really add up and could potentially save you hundreds or thousands of dollars.